Do you use a cold trap when performing concentration with a centrifugal evaporator or drying with a vacuum freeze dryer? We would like to explain the importance of cold traps. When performing concentration with a centrifugal evaporator or drying with a vacuum dryer, the system is connected to a vacuum source, such as a vacuum regulator, a diaphragm vacuum pump, or an oil-sealed rotary vacuum pump. If vapors, such as moisture or evaporated samples generated during concentration or drying, are not collected, the vacuum system cannot perform to its full potential. By integrating a cold trap between the evaporator dryer and the vacuum pump, you can effectively capture these vapors. This stabilizes the concentration or drying process and significantly extends the service life of your vacuum equipment, which may be sensitive to moisture, acids, or solvents. If you do not use a cold trap, the vacuum level will not rise, which not only increases concentration and drying time, but also causes various problems, such as organic and acid solvents being released into the atmosphere, affecting the work and surrounding environment, causing the pump's paint to rust, and degrading the oil in rotary vane vacuum pumps. Now, let's look at an example of a centrifugal evaporator system to see the impact of using a cold trap versus not using one. A system without a cold trap. When concentrating or removing solvents with the centrifugal evaporator, volatile components do not simply disappear. They turn into vapor. This vapor then enters the vacuum pump directly. The aspirated sample turns from a gas into a liquid and is released outside through the vacuum pump. In the case of organic or acidic solvents, this will affect the surrounding environment. In a system with a cold trap, the vapor removed from the sample is collected in the glass condenser, significantly reducing the amount of vapor entering the vacuum pump. This helps extend the life of the vacuum pump, which is sensitive to moisture, acids, and solvents. Please use a cold trap to accelerate and stabilize concentration and drying. Maintain a better vacuum, extend the life of your vacuum pump, and protect the working environment of your researchers. If you have any questions, please contact Isla or your local distributor.